Is it just me or is it chilly in here? Oh, hi there! Are you wondering if you need winter tires for your electric car? Or you're just not sure which type to go for? Don't worry, we've got you covered. It's time to make a stop at the workshop.
Welcome to a snowy episode of The Workshop, the place where we answer all your burning questions about tires. Today, I'm joined by Sarah.
What's up, Thomas? Today I'll help you choose the best winter tire for your electric or hybrid car.
And whatever the wintry conditions, there's a suitable tire out there for your EV car.
All right, Thomas, what's the golden rule of driving in the winter?
Safety first.
Correct. And that means not only paying extra attention to your driving style, but also to your choice of tires. So when you're driving, I want you to think of a grilled cheese sandwich.
Ooh la la.
Hey, tires, we're talking about tires. Imagine your EV car is the top layer of bread and the road is the bottom layer. Well, what's the delicious layer in the middle of it all?
The best part, of course. I mean, I am French after all, so the tires must be the fromage.
That's right. It's the cheese. So in other words, your tires play a crucial role in wintry conditions because they're the glue between the road and the vehicle. So come rain, ice, or snow, your tires need to have excellent grip and handling. But that doesn't mean that you have to compromise on the specific performance requirements of electric cars. For example, Michelin tires are designed to reduce the rolling resistance of the tire, and that helps to improve the range of electric cars.
That's good to know. So, what is the first step in choosing a winter tire for an electric car?
Well, it's really best to check the approved dimensions before you even start searching for tires, because you need to note that some car makers approve specific winter tire sizes, and all this information can be found in the owner's manual.
Okay, so picture this. I live in Europe where the winters can be quite cold.
Okay, well then the best tire for your electric car would be one from the Michelin Alpine range, which are perfectly compatible with electric vehicles. They're specially designed for winter with a special rubber compound and tread design to ensure a safe ride. Take the Michelin Alpine 6 tire, for example. This passenger car tire is designed for excellent braking and traction in snow. Plus, its great longevity means it fits electric car owner needs.
Great, and are there any other options for the high-performance EV car owners watching, maybe?
Of course. So the Michelin Pilot Alpine range is ideal for high-performance EV cars. And if you have really severe winters with lots of snow and ice like in Canada or Scandinavia, then you can opt for the Michelin X-Ice Snow or the studded X-Ice North 4 tire. And what's great about the latter is that it's been designed to make as little noise as possible despite the studs.
Alright, and if I go for winter tires, do all 4 need to be winter tires?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, they do. It's absolutely essential not to mix summer, all-season, or winter tires in order to maintain good handling on your vehicle. You wouldn't wear a flip-flop on one foot and a snow boot on the other, would you?
Probably not.
Yeah, it wouldn't work out so well. Also, don't forget, it doesn't matter if you have front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive, all of the tires must be the same.
That's clear for me. Now, what about those who have mild winters or face occasionally harsh conditions, like when going on ski trips once or twice a year?
Okay, well then an all-season tire would be the best fit for your electric car.
This is the Michelin Cross Climate range, right? I'm actually a big fan. I didn't know it was compatible with electric vehicles.
Yeah, it sure is. And it's not the only EV-compatible all-season range, by the way. This particular range is designed for a safe drive anywhere in any weather. It's great for wet, dry, and snowy roads. I'd also like to add that it's designed to improve energy efficiency and therefore your battery range.
A good all-rounder then. So, to wrap up, for a safe and hassle-free journey in winter, you could go for a tire from the Michelin Alpine range or the Michelin Cross Climate range, right?
Exactly. And all of these ranges are perfectly adapted for the performance needs of electric cars and their winter-certified tires.
Great. Thanks for your tips, Sarah. I think it's safe to say there's something for every electric car owner.
You're right, there is. Well, until next time, ciao, Thomas.
Au revoir, Sarah. Hey, do you still have the sandwich au fromage?
Well, that's a wrap on choosing winter tires for your EV car. And I, for one, am gonna go warm up. See you on the next episode of The Workshop.